12 DIY fruit nail art ideas for stylish ladies' juicy summer juice nails. In 2025, fruit nail art has become one of the hottest trends in the USA. From minimalist micro fruit motifs to bold 3D citrus slices, fashion-forward enthusiasts are sharing these designs across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Celebrities like Sydney Sweeney have embraced cherry-accented looks, paired with butter yellow nails, that fans can easily recreate at home using stickers or builder gels. Beauty publications affirm this trend. Fruit water nails, created with sheer jelly polish and topped with micro fruits, are replacing opaque manicures and holding strong in 2025's minimalist vogue. Likewise, citrus slice juiciness combined with dripping techniques, rhinestones, and micro 3D designs have surged in summer roundup lists. Reddit users celebrate these styles, calling them cute, obsessed, and time-tested viral material. These are so freaking cute. Fruit nails are so cute for the summer. Watermelon one is so cute. You gotta do a citrus one. 12 fresh fruit nail designs that are totally viral ready. Each design combines bold visuals with easy techniques, perfect for YouTube tutorials, shorts, or viral edits. 1. Micro cherry on milky nude, minimalist chic. Tiny cherries over a sheer milky white or nude base create an elegant, subtle statement. This micro fruit style is ultra popular in high-end artisanal salons and easily DIYable at home. 2. Juicy watermelon with seed dots and gradient tips. Classic summer. Pink base, green rind tips, and black seed dots. Ideal for time-lapse videos or stereo split screen. Add gloss for extra pop. 3. 3D citrus plus drip effect nail set. Hand-sculpted lemon, orange, or lime wedges look sensational. Enhance with dripping juice using 3D gel. A top pick this season. 4. Shimmery strawberry cat eye and seed detail. Glossy pink or light cat eye polish forms the juicy background, while fine dotting tools add seeds and green tops for a luxe strawberry manicure. 5. Glossy kiwi slice with high shine and seeds. Vivid green base topped with realistic seed dots and a shiny dome finish. Bold, graphic, and totally attention-grabbing. 6. Dragon fruit dot matrix pattern. Milky white background speckled with black seeds and tropical magenta borders creates wearable pop art, perfect for 2025's bold visuals. 7. Rainbow fruit salad. Mix and match each nail. Feature a different fruit on each nail. Grape, pineapple, strawberry, lime. Set with pastel or neutral backgrounds. Fun, youthful, and hugely shareable. 8. 3D blueberry bunch texture with pearl appreciate accents. Tiny berry domes or holographic blueberries, made with builder gel or matte gel polish, topped with micro pearls or crystals for sophistication. 9. Berrylicious raspberry plus blueberry duo on soft pink. Hand paint or stamp delicate raspberry and blueberry clusters on pink or blush glass. Ideal for slower Dutch content or ASMR-style videos. 10. Papaya pop with seed beads and sunset ombre. Warm tones blend papaya orange into yellow ombre. Raised black seed beads complete the tropical fruit illusion. 11. Fruit water jelly nails, sheer plus sheer builds. 1 or 2 coats of translucent jelly polish in berry, orange, or peach. Finish with tiny fruit decals or micro French tips to mimic fruit juice nails. 12. Slushie-inspired ombre fruit shades. Blue raspberry, cherry. Bright, syrupy gradients in blue raspberry, cherry red, lemon lime or grape gels create a retro slushy look. Great for short sunrise to sunset time-lapse edits. I hope this video is helpful for you. If helpful, then like this video and subscribe for more fruit nail tutorials.